Hey guys, how you doing? So, a lot of you might want to see this. I'm gonna reprofile the Magnum Kukri Machete from cold steel. I actually didn't notice this as I got it, and yesterday when I showed it in the video, I don't know if we can pick it up on the camera. I don't think the lighting here is efficient enough, but the edge actually is about 1/2 millimeter flat, so it literally does not have an edge. I didn't notice it, so I'll definitely reprofile it and sharpen it before I bring it upstate. Now, leaving today, I'm gonna have a lot of fun over the weekend. I just hope it won't rain. So let me just get on with it. I just put up the brand new 80 grit. This is a silica carbide belt actually. I ordered this one new as I'm gonna check it out. I got a lot of new belts, so I'm gonna try with this, and then we get some finer belts. I will actually put the higher grade because I don't want to be here forever. I will put a... what are these? Here. I will put the 60 grit ceramic because this is taking way too long. Don't worry, it's not getting even overheated. I can still hold in the hand. It's nice long blade, so it's hard to overheat it. The sparks are just the carbon in the steel. Now I will jump to 100. I'm gonna go to 220. No, sorry, 180. I have 180, not 220. Here. 180. This one is pretty well used, and I actually use one trick to help overheating. WD-40. Nice on the belt. Now at this point I have nice working edge actually. I don't know how sharp it is. You see, that's right off 180. The front is a little bit toothy. It's not that perfect. I really don't care that much about it, and it's not really great cutting edge because it's pretty steep. One more thing I'm gonna do just real quick. I have this felt belt. I'll just polish it real quick. It's kind of like a power stroking. see. It's all wet now. The front, like I said, this front portion here is not that perfect, and you can actually see that they are not perfectly even, but I really couldn't care less. I just need to get it done fast so I can have some fun with it outside tomorrow, and this will definitely do a job, definitely for what it is. That will do a job. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Actually, one little thing, friend of mine has a orange dodo for sale for, I think he wants 200 for it. If somebody wants it, you know, PM me or email me and I'll give you a contact for him. So, trustworthy guy, definitely. Let me know, guys, if I know a lot of you guys would be interested, because it's hard to find. Same exact one like I have, a brand new orange dodo. It's not mine. So, thanks for watching, guys. Take care, stay safe, and remember, don't cut yourself.